Hello everyone and welcome to eMath. Let's simplify this interesting algebra problem. Square root of 225 and the minus square root of 224. Okay, before we start simplifying this problem, we need to know two formulas that we will need them later. Square root of a minus b squared is equals to absolute value of a minus b, and a minus b squared is equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so what do we have now? We have square root of 225 is equals to 15, and then minus square root of 224, we can write it as 4 times 56, and all this is equals to square root of 15 and the minus square root of 4 is 2, so we take out 2 and then times square root of 56, and all this is equals to square root of 15. It can be written as 7 plus 8 and then minus 2 times square root of 56. It can be written as 7 times 8, and then we have square root of 7. It can be written as square root of 7, all this to the power of 2, and then minus 2 square root of 7 and then times square root of 8, and then plus 8. It can be written as square root of 8, all this to the power of 2, and all this is equals to. Now, before we continue solving this problem, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. Okay, so let's continue. Square root of. Now, here we have our formula a minus b squared that we have wrote it before. In this case, a is square root of 7 and b is square root of 8. So we have square root of 7 and then minus square root of 8. All this to the power of 2. And from our first formula that we wrote it before, we have absolute value of square root of 7 minus square root of 8. But we know that square root of 7 is smaller than square root of 8. So we have square root of 7 minus square root of 8 is smaller than 0. But absolute value of square root of 7 minus square root of 8 is larger than 0. So this is equals to, we need to put a minus in front of brackets, and we have square root of 7 minus square root of 8. And all this is equals to square root of 8 minus square root of 7. And this is our answer. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. Ring the bell. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.